students of class 10. Today I am going to teach you economics, the topic movement along the demand curve. Movement along the demand curve, you can say. Like in this, what we will study? We will study in this extension in demand. Extension in demand or expansion in demand. In this, what will happen? In this, according to expansion in demand or extension in demand, the price of a commodity change and the demand for that commodity also change. For example, see this diagram. When the price of a commodity is P0, the demand is Q0. As the price decreases from P0 to P1, the demand increases from P0 to P1. So the first point of demand is A and the second point is B. So the extension of demand from here to here, from point A to point B, this much quantity the consumer has extended. This will be known as extension in demand. Again I am repeating, extension in demand means when the price of a commodity change. Here price of a commodity change, other factors remain unchanged. When the price of a commodity change and due to the change in the price of the commodity, the quantity demanded of a commodity also change. For example, in this diagram you see, when the price is P0, the quantity demanded is Q0. But when the price decreases from P0 to P1, the quantity demanded increases from Q0 to Q1. So the first point is this A and the second point is B. So this extension means this much, or you can say this much. This much extension of quantity demanded is known as extension in demand. Next is contraction in demand. In this, it is just opposite of extension. In this, what happened? When the price of a commodity falls. In this, when the price of a commodity increases, the demand decreases. Like see, when the price of a commodity is P0, demand is Q0. Okay, demand is more. As the price of a commodity increases from P0 to P1, the quantity demanded decreases from P0 to P1 this side. And here these 2 points E and F. The movement of the curve from here to here, means from the point E to F, will show contraction in demand. Means decrease in demand also you can say. Okay, it shows that the consumer will shift towards to the lesser quantity of the commodity. Again I am repeating, when the price of a commodity, in this, when the price of a commodity increases, the demand for that commodity starts decreasing. For example, when the price of a commodity P0, quantity demanded Q0. As the price of a commodity increases from P0 to P1, the quantity demanded decreases from Q0 to Q1. It shows contraction in demand. The point E to F, this will show construction, means the quantity demanded is shifting. They are decreasing their consumption. Dear students, now we are going to study about shift in demand curve. Before we have studied about the movement, in that the price of a commodity change but other factors remain unchanged. But in this case, in the case of shift, the price remain unchanged. The price will not change at all. So in case of increase in demand, what happens? When the price of a commodity is fixed, suppose P, the price of a commodity is P0, the quantity demanded is Q0. But the price of coffee, suppose this is the price of tea, and the price of coffee increase. What will happen? The demand for tea will also increase. It will shift towards, at the same price, it will shift this side. So it will show a increase in demand. Again I am repeating, in case of increase in demand, what will happen? The price of a commodities will remain unchanged. In case of shift, the price will be remain unchanged, the other factors will change. Suppose the price of a tea is P0, the consumer demanded Q0. But the price of coffee increases. What will happen? The demand for tea will also start increasing. It will start increase from A0 to A2, this side. This right side increase will show a increase in demand. Okay, in the same while, suppose in decrease in demand, it will be just opposite. What will happen? Price is not changing, price is remaining the, see, the price is not changing again, price will be same, but the price of tea is the same, P is 0. Now what happens? The price of coffee decreases. When the price of coffee will decrease, the demand for coffee will increase, na? Here the demand for tea will decrease. It will start moving leftward. Means the consumer who is purchasing this much, he will shift this much to this side, to left side. Here the price of other commodity affects the demand of tea. The price of other commodity affects the demand of tea. So if it is increasing in right hand side, so it will show increase in demand. But if it is showing the left hand side, so this will show decrease in demand. Now see, the moment you see, first it is A0. First, in case of increase, it will move from A0 to A2, this side, right hand side, right side you can say. And in case of decrease, it will shift from A0 to A1. Now see, explanation of this diagram. How you will write? When the price of a commodity is P0, the demand is Q0. Okay, but if the demand shifts, if the demand curve shifts towards right side from A0 to A2, it shows an increase in demand. And at the meanwhile, if the demand curve shifts from A0 to A1, then it shows leftward shift, then it shows decrease in demand. Again I am repeating, right side increase, left side decrease. I hope you have understood.